In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Leonardo AI account step by step so you can get started generating images, exploring creative tools, and using the platform without any confusion. If you've been wondering how to sign up the right way, this guide will walk you through the whole process from opening the website to getting fully set up. And before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Leonardo.ai. Once the website loads, look for the Start Now button and click it. This will take you to the next page where Leonardo AI lets you begin creating, but there is one important step before you can access everything. You need to sign up first. On the new page that opens, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click Sign Up. This is where you'll create your account and connect it to a sign-in method. After clicking Sign Up, Leonardo AI will show you a list of available sign-up options. You can choose the method that works best for you, such as Google, Microsoft, Canva, Apple, or any other supported login option. Just pick the one you want to use and continue with the on-screen steps. If you're using Google, for example, select your account and confirm the permission request. If you're using another service, simply sign in with that provider and approve the connection. Make sure your credentials are correct before confirming so the setup goes smoothly. Once you verify everything, your Leonardo AI account will be created and you'll now be live on the platform. At this point, you can start exploring Leonardo AI and begin using its creative features right away. That's how easy it is to create a Leonardo AI account in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.